Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Vintage Antiquities with new video and new idea. How are you friends? I hope you are so well. Friends, today's video about cross-stitch hand embroidery designs with amazing colors, different patterns and color combination designing you can choose from this video. You can watch the videos about cross-stitch hand embroidery designing, different pattern designing and beautiful color combination choose from this video. I suggest you can watch video till end and getting the ideas according to your choice. These are very unique ideas and different patterns are making. You can make these designs on your different clothes. You can decor your home things with these pattern designing. Different flowers are making with different color combination ideas, rose petals and different lily flowers are making. You can make these designs on your bed sheets, pillow covers and I hope you like these ideas. Friends, if you like these ideas then you appreciate me on my efforts by subscribing my channel, liking my video and also press the bell icon, then you easily getting the notification of my new videos and choose the ideas according to your choice. These are very beautiful and unique ideas I have bought for you in different style and in different ideas. You can tell me in comment section if you like these ideas. Friends, I am waiting your comments. Your comments is very important for me. Also friends, you can tell me about if you want the ideas, pattern designing and different color combination designing, then I have make the videos according to your choice. Also you can share these designs with your friends and your family members. Also you can take the screenshot and save in your gallery from these designs. And also friends, these designs you can make on your prayer mats, your t-shirts, tonic tops and your cardigans, sweater designing. If you want the crochet designing, then you tell me in comment section. I will make similar videos and present it in front of you. Tell me about your choices and appreciate me on my efforts. Thanks for watching. We meet in next video with different ideas and different designs. Now I am going. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.